Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ramanujam Narayan. I represent Finance First Vertical at Contetra. We have been doing a lot of IFRS Ind AS, US GAAP, and SOX implementations across the globe, including countries like US, Middle East, and India. So, what I've observed, right, as a finance professional, many a times we know a lot of stuff, we know a lot of technical stuff, but the main issue with us is articulation, right? That is number one. Number two, which are the typical problems that we face as finance professionals, right? We face a lot of issues relating to stagnancy in career. When I say stagnancy in career, it doesn't mean that it is from a qualification standpoint. Stagnancy in career comes from several fronts. I mean, are you a person who is basically doing the work entirely based on SOP and you don't have practical knowledge to implement, any finance-related literature? Are you a person who is continuously slogging in the night to, do the financial reporting? You don't know the practical implementation of IFRS, you have to struggle with structuring files, or you don't have the sufficient templates. Are you a person who continuously get in constant engagement and constant argument with auditors without resolving a particular issue? All these are signs of stagnancy in career. Stagnancy in career doesn't mean that you take a qualification of a chartered accountancy or an MBA or an ICWA. Stagnancy means you are getting stuck at your work in any form, which I just mentioned. So, how the trend is moving? The trend in India is moving where people across the functions of finance, whether it is M&A, whether it is secretarial function, whether it is legal function, whether it is business finance function, whether it is investment banking, whether it is tax function, whether it is indirect tax function. Everyone, trust me, everyone guys needs a knowledge about IFRS. If you are a person who wants to upskill yourself and who wants to solve the largest problem in terms of stagnancy in career, this is the right place to be in. And over here, you get a lot of practical orientation, you get a lot of industry insights, and you become a thorough finance professional when you get out of this course.